Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look at the board and see what shape we drew yesterday on the board? If we find that last shape, that tells us what we drew yesterday, and then we can find out what today is. What is your guess? Do you see it? Did you guess a blue rhombus, or did you say diamond? That's that special shape that has two names. It can be a diamond or a rhombus. So yesterday was Saturday, February 6th, 2021, and it had the blue rhombus in it. So now to find out today, we're supposed to go to the next square, but there's no square there. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down and go back to the beginning of the columns. Let's see here. So this was Saturday, and we're going to come down, back over here, and it's Sunday. So we're going to put a shape in here. What shape do we need to put into there? What is the next shape in our pattern? I hear some good guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and let's say our pattern together. Are you ready? Red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart. Did you guess red heart? Good guessing. So let's put a heart in. You can start by putting an arch up to the top and come down to a point, and then go back up and put those lumps together and color it in. You can do this on your calendar, on a piece of paper, or you can just do it in the sky. And it's Sunday. Do you remember how many days are in the week? Let's do them together and see if you're correct. Are you ready? Let's count. And if you don't know all your numbers yet, that's okay. We'll learn together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. And today is Sunday. So we are going to put Sunday in our sentence. Let's have a look at our Sunday card. So Sunday begins with an S, just like Saturday did. S for slippery salamander. That's a big word. So capital S because it's the name of the day. Sunday. 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 So today is Sunday. We're going to put it into our sentence, and our sentence begins with today is, and today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. If you look in all your books, the first word in every sentence will have a capital in it. That's how we know that it's the start of a sentence. Today is Sunday, so I'm going to put a capital S because it's the name of our day. Sunday. And then I'm going to put a comma, and we're going to put in our month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Good guess. Let's see if we're correct. Are you ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Let's see if we can remember their names. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember which one of those months is the month that we're in right now? I'll give you a hint. It's the second month out of the whole year. Last month was January, so this month is February. That's right. So let's go up to the top. There's a capital F for frilly or funny. February. February. So we're going to put February in our sentence. Today is Sunday, capital February. February. And next we're going to put in our number. Do you know what number we need to put in for today? We don't have a number here yet. Let's go back to the beginning. Let's go back to yesterday. And yesterday was a 6. And we say the 6th when it's in the calendar. What comes after 6? Let's go back to the beginning of our numbers and let's see if we can figure out what comes after 6. Let's see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you guess 7? We'll start by making a line across the top, and then we'll start at that corner and we'll go down on an angle. That's a 7. Now let's count backwards. Let's see if you can do it. We'll do it together. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Good job. So let's put a 7 in our calendar and then a comma. So today is Sunday, February 7th, and then we're going to put the year 2021. 2021, and then a period. So let's say our whole sentence together. Remember, The commas tell us to just pause for 1 second, and the sentence tells us to stop. There's nothing more to say after that. Today is Sunday, February 7th, 2021. Good job. Did you have a look at what the calendar, did you see what the weather is like today? How did you dress today? Did you put shorts on or pants on? Do you have to wear a big woolly coat to go outside today? Or do you get to wear a sun hat because it's so sunny? What's your weather like? Is it rainy? Do you get to wear rubber boots and an umbrella? It's not rainy here. What about sunny? Nope, not sunny here. Partly cloudy, partly sunny? Nope, not here. What about you? Is it cloudy? We have some clouds, but our clouds are doing something today. They are snowing. Is it snowing where you live today? Let's put snowing up on our weather chart. And will you help me put it into our weather chart? You can do it on your paper, or you can just do it in the sky, in the air with your hand. So it's snowing. So our first one is the sun. So it's sunny, but it's not sunny today. There's a cloud, and there is a cloud when it's snowing, but there's no snow coming out of this cloud, so that's not the right one. What about raining? Nope. A snowflake? That's where we are. So do you remember how to make a tally mark? Put your finger up to the sky, and we'll strike it down together. Are you ready? There we go. One snowy day so far. We're going to go into our agenda. So do you remember what the apostrophe S is at my name? That means that this belongs to somebody. This book belongs to somebody. So it's got my name, CELYNNE, apostrophe S. And you can do that on your agenda too. Put your name on it with an apostrophe S. So yesterday I wanted to go grocery shopping, and I did do that. And do you remember what my kind thing was? I was going to smile at everybody I saw at the grocery store. And lots of people smiled back at me, so that was really nice. So today is Sunday, so we're going to put a capital S because it's the name of the day. Sunday. February, capital February. And it's the 7th, so I'm going to put in a 7. So when we put our numbers into the calendar, we often put a th at the end. 7th, and then the year is 2021, 2021. I'm going to practice my numbers up to the number 7. I want to practice my numbers every day so I get really good at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's snowing today, so let's put my weather on. I'm going to make a snowflake. And you can make your snowflake look however you want, because no snowflake is ever alike. They all look different. They're all individual. So today is Sunday, and today, because it's snowing, I'm just going to stay inside today, and I'm going to make a to-do list for the entire week. I'm going to plan out my week so that I know what I need to do every day. And this is helpful so that you make sure you get all of your things done. So here's my piece of paper. I'm going to write the words to, T-O, and D-O. To do. And then I'm just going to make some numbers. And let's see, what do I need to do this week? Well, I think I need to read a book. R-E-A-D. I think I need to write a letter. So I'm going to put letter, L-E-T-T-E-R. I think I need to do some laundry. So I'll put in my laundry, L-A-U-N-D-R-Y. And I think I need to bake some bread. So I'll put some bread, E-R-E-A-D. And then I'm going to put my name at the bottom because I want to practice my name every day. So capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. So practice printing your name every day so you get really good at it. And eventually you'll be able to make to-do lists as well. If you want, you can make your own to-do list. If you don't know how to print the words, you can ask an adult to tell you how to print the words, or you can just draw pictures, just like I draw pictures on my agenda every day telling what I'm going to do. If you don't know how to make your words or your letters yet, we can practice. So we'll practice every day a new letter. So let's do E one more day. So we're going to start at the top and come all the way down, go back up to the top and make a line. Then come back to the bottom and make a line. And then go to the middle and make a little line. And then we'll make a lowercase e. Don't forget to practice in the air if you don't have a piece of paper. go across like one line, then make a half a circle, and then come all the way down like this with a little tail. If you practice your letters every day, you'll get really good and you'll be able to print words and letters and to-do lists and sign your name. So let's see, I was just pretty happy yesterday. What about, I'm probably still a little bit happy, but let's hang on to that one. Am I excited? Are you excited? Is something exciting happening today for you? Maybe somebody's coming for a visit, or maybe you're going to bake a cake. Maybe it's somebody's birthday. You can be excited about that as well. What about nervous? Are you nervous today? Is something that you're worrying about? Something you might not want to do, really? I don't think I feel very nervous. Am I angry? I don't think I'm angry. I don't get angry very often, but sometimes things happen that make you angry. Maybe you scraped your knee or dropped your popsicle on the ground, something disappointing. Sad? Are you sad today? I hope you're not sad, but it's okay if you are. Talk to your adult if you're sad. Maybe they can help you become happy again. I think I'm just happy again today. So we'll put that on the board. And today, my kind thing to do is I'm going to call my mom on the phone. You can call your friend on the phone. You can call a cousin, a teacher, an aunt, an uncle, any grown-ups. Most grown-ups have phones. Give them a call and say, "Hi, how are you? I want to see how you're doing." Tell them how much you miss them. That's a really kind thing to do. So I hope you try that today. And if not, I hope you find something else that's wonderful and kind to do. I hope you have a great fun day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.